My dear children, welcome to the business studies class. As we know, the fixed shop retailers, they do not have fixed place of business and they do not move from one place to another. Their shops are situated in marketplaces and near the residential localities. These fixed shop retailers can be divided into two. They are small scale retail shops and large scale retail shops. Small scale retail shops are the most common form of the retail shops and retail trades. Then these retail shops are found in every nook and corner of the most cities. The different types of small scale retail shops are street stalls, second hand goods shops, general stores, single line stores, etc. Today in this module, we are going to study a new term, that is large scale retail shops or fixed shops. Large scale retail shops have become important in big cities and towns. Such shops keep a large stock of goods and purchase of goods in bulk. They are located in shopping centers, departmental stores, chain stores, mail order houses, super bazaars, consumers cooperative societies, and hire purchase shops are the main types of large scale retail shops. A departmental store is a large retail establishment having in the same building with number of departments, each of which confines its activities to one particular line of goods. It deals in a wide variety of products under one roof. The products is grouped into well-defined departments which are centrally located. Departmental store is a combination of several small stores under one roof. For example, there may be separate departments for toiletries, medicines, furniture, groceries, electronic equipments, furniture, then clothing, dress material within a store. Thus, they satisfy the diverse market segments with a wide variety of goods and services. It is not uncommon for a department store in the United States of America to carry needle to aeroplane or all shopping under one roof. Everything from a pin to an elephant is the spirit behind a typical departmental store. In India, the real departmental store have not yet come in a big way in the retailing of the business. Now we are going to study the important features of departmental stores. The important features of the departmental stores are, first point, large size. A departmental store is a large retail shop or retail establishment with huge capital investment. It is generally organized as a joint stock company. Usually these departmental stores are formed as a joint stock company. Then second point is centralized location. These department stores are usually located in the center of the city or town so that people from different parts of the city may easily reach it. Then another important feature is wide variety. A departmental store deals in wide variety of goods or wide range of goods, practically from pin to aeroplane. It is a complete shopping center. Then another one is services and amenities. A departmental store provides several facilities such as post office, restaurants, public telephone, then reading room, then free home delivery, credit facilities, parking facilities, etc. Then attractive appearance is the another important feature of departmental store. A departmental store is housed in a big and impressive building which is elegantly furnished and tastefully decorated. Then extensive advertising is another important feature of departmental store. A departmental store is housed in a big and impressive building which is elegantly furnished as tastefully decorated. A departmental store undertakes advertising and publicity on a large scale to attract large population or large number of the customers. Then another important feature is elimination of middlemen. A departmental store buys the goods directly from the manufacturers. Therefore, it eliminates the middleman. Then centralized buying also possible in departmental stores. They purchase the products are made centrally. Then decentralized selling is the another important feature of the departmental stores. Sales are decentralized to the departments. These are the important features of departmental stores.